It's an 8-year-old iMac, and I was surprised it was so low for $105 plus $20 shipping. It's really nice condition. You can see over here, no issues at all. So after doing a little research, I realized why it was so cheap. Mac's latest OS Mojave, I forgot what version this is, 10.14, is only supported with most Macs that are 2012 or newer. So if you're going to purchase a used Mac machine, you probably want to get something a little newer than 2012. In my luck, I'm a little out of luck. This is 2011, but I can live with it. I just need something for work purposes, and my work is a little too cheap. They wouldn't buy me or lend me a Mac. So here I am testing on my own personal Mac. So again, I mean, you can still receive updates with this older operating system. Probably be supported for another 2 years, but still, it's ideal if you're gonna buy a used Mac to try to get it supported. So in 2019, try to get a Mac machine that's at least 2012 or more like 2013, 2014. It's still amazing that it supports something that's 7 years old. So, planned obsolescence.